I'm not gonna lie, I'm so sad that I like missed my stage time.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, fucking beautiful. Nice. There you go. Nice. There you go. Hamstrings up there. Perfect. And you got a teardrop. And the bottom. Nice line. Ooh, I like that line. Give me a twist on the hip a little bit more. Yeah. Now come back. Give me a hip.
What do you mean?
Now you push back. Right there. That's it.
Okay.
Perfect. Everything pops. Beautiful. Yes, sir. 15 reps. Yeah. Like this one. Beautiful. There you go. Beautiful.
wants to see this class pose down? Bikini girls, you want to pose down? Pose down, girls. Get in the middle. Here we go. All right, we have Christian. Okay. Let's get that third place medal. To number 37, Kat Vera.
Big mishap and I almost missed my stage time. Well, I did miss my stage time, so I'm disappointed in myself for that, even though it's not all the way my fault because the show started earlier than was told. So yeah, but I still was able to get on stage, do my individual routine with Class C, and then they brought me back out to rejudge Class A. So I don't doubt that I maybe lost some points because of that, but it is what it is. Sometimes like the unexpected will happen, and I'm just happy that my makeup is seriously freaking flawless after I got off stage. I ran into Jazzy Fit. She's so beautiful. And she was like, "Who did your makeup? It's so nice." And I was like, "Me!" And I was just like, oh my gosh, like that seriously was so special to me. I wish I would have been able to get it, but I'm just, living in the moment. But that was like a really rewarding feeling, just knowing that like I did that by myself. And I'm proud of that. And I still was able to manage to get on stage, and we still placed, period. So it is what it is. I'm very, very proud of how I look. I'm like super, super satisfied with my overall look, and yeah, that is that. It's time to work harder for the Natural Olympia, which is next in 4 weeks. 4 weeks, we'll do it one last time this year, so I'm so excited for that. I've been, honestly, the whole time I've been in Houston, I've been thinking about Vegas, which is not the best thing, but I should be living in the moment, which I've tried my best to. But at some points it was just like, I just keep thinking about Vegas. And yeah, it wasn't my time to win first place in this class, and that is okay. You can't come in expecting to win because you're just gonna end up being disappointed. So I just went out there, I still had fun, did my thing, and we still got some hardware to take home with us. So yeah, and I got to meet Heidi backstage. She was so like, oh my god, like so like apologetic, like at the fact that like she was the first person that I seen backstage. I'm like, oh my gosh, Heidi, like my class just went up, like I don't know what to do. And she's like, oh, like Ashley's right there, like she didn't know what to do either. So I seen Ashley, and like we like accommodated everything. I hope I'm not like talking in circles. And then, yeah, that was that. I'm so sad. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so sad. Not at the placing, but at the fact that I like missed my stage time. I'm very disappointed in myself in that. These past 2 weeks, I've been on top of it, getting to everything, every appointment that I had, I literally was getting to early. I'm like always a person, I literally told Heidi this too, I'm always the person to get somewhere late. My best friends know that so well. Like, I'm always late to everything. And like these past 2 weeks, I'm just like, I don't know who I am. Like, I'm just getting to things like super on time. And the moment where it matters the most, you know, like granted, the girls were going on, like they were already on stage at 10:30, even though like we were told 11. So, you know, I just wasn't early enough. And it is what it is. So, yeah, I'm just sad about that. But that's it. Okay, let's go. I want to eat. We made it back to the hotel. And we're about to eat some In-N-Out. I didn't even know Houston had In-N-Out, guys. So we're doing some In-N-Out animal style fries and a double animal style. Where's my animal style? It's somewhere. Oh, yep, there it is. I'm not eating 2 of these. I'm just eating 1. And we'll see how much we can get through for the fries. And we're just going to enjoy this. So let's go ahead and take that first bite. Which one do I want? I want this one because I see a thick-ass pickle in there. And y'all know I love me some pickles. We need some extra spread. This is the good stuff. Literally gold. Liquid gold. I don't even care if there's a tomato in there. I forgot to say no tomatoes. Because I don't like tomatoes. Oh my god, that was a lot. That was a lot. Okay. Let's spread that out nice and even. I thought I was going to have to wait till November for this. But I'm so glad that I don't have to wait. Wow, that's salty. Wow. Salty because I'm not used to eating a lot of salt. Like, not in a bad way. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy this. And we will be doing a recap of the show to kind of explain all the craziness that happened. Because there was a lot of mishaps that we need to talk about. Alright, so I'll catch you back in a little bit. Alright guys, so I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a recap. It's almost 11 p.m. I should have just done this when it was fresh, but there was a whole mix-up this morning with the showtime. So originally, we were all told that Bikini was going on Bikini was told that we were going on at 11, and I got there at 10:30, and they were already literally saying, okay ladies, thank you for class A, which was the class that I was supposed to be going on at. So I honestly was just like shook. I was shocked and like so scared. Like,
are you serious? Like, they already went on? Like, I'm so confused.
Because it's not 11. Like, I was just so confused, okay? Once I got backstage, I was able to find Ashley and was like, hey, I just missed my class. I thought we were going out at 11, and she's like, you know, telling me we'll just put you in a different class to do your individual, and then we'll rejudge you with your class and whatnot. So at that point, I'm just like shoving a rice cake down my throat as fast as I could, you know, trying to pump up with my like Red Bull, going as fast as I can to like go get my soup glued down and get glazed, and then I like spilled a little bit of Red Bull on my stomach, so they had to fix me up and whatever. I just was able to get in line for Class C and do my individual routine. I honestly feel like I should have just stayed there and done my pre-judging there and been like,
screw it, I'm in this class now. What?
but they ended up putting me back in class A. We did pre-judging, so I'll be obviously putting in some information or footage there. But yeah, we ended up getting 3rd place, which, you know, I'm so happy about that because we were late, not really, but yeah. And we still got to go on stage, kill it, literally killed it on stage. So freaking proud of myself. I like dominated that stage. I don't care what anybody says. I had amazing stage presence and nobody can take that away from me. And I'm just really proud of the package that I brought. I said I wanted to bring down my legs. I did that. I came in a lot leaner than my last show, so I definitely did that. And I just had fun. Like, even though like it was just like a scary moment, like being like, oh crap, like I just missed my shot. It was still like the moment where like, you know, just roll with it. Like, screw it. Like, we're just gonna do this and nobody's gonna take that away from me. And that's something that you guys should always keep in mind. Like, things are gonna happen. And this doesn't just apply to competing. Like, in life in general, things are gonna happen. Things are gonna come from left field, and things just are gonna seem like it's going south. But you literally have to roll with it, keep pushing forward, keep going towards what you have set your mind to go after. That sounded so wrong. You just have to continue to push forward and go after what you have set out to do. And that's what I did. Like, I was like, all right, screw it, we're rolling with it, and I'm not gonna let a mishap, a mistake, a screw up take away from what I have worked so freaking hard for to achieve. So let that be a lesson to you. Take that for what it is. I'm just so freaking proud of myself for making it out here and having fun on stage. So yeah. Now it is time for me to focus on the next show, which is the Natural Olympia, which is what, in 4 weeks already. So I'm so excited for that. And this whole time that I've been here, I should have been focusing on summer shredding, which is definitely what I had was excited for. But since I got here, I don't know why, like, I just kept thinking about Vegas, like being in Vegas doing the Natural Olympia, and I'm so excited to be sharing that experience with you guys. So I hope that you stay tuned for that and follow me on through this journey for the last show of the year. So if you guys like this video, please show some support. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And, you know, show some love. I'm also on Instagram. You can follow me at CatBFitness. I will be posting more show day photos and a little bit more like clips of me posing and whatnot on there. So be sure to follow me on there. I will put all that info in the description box below. All right, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for your love and support. I will see you